before and after mulch.
So when you look at your yard and your yard's doing decently well for the season, but then you look up here and you're like, it's just missing something. There is something about my beds that just does not give it any justice. Any clue what we're going to be working on today? Stay tuned. Let's go. You ever just sit in your yard and know that you have lots of work to do? Staring at it, knowing that you need to mow the lawn, you need to put mulch in your beds, you need to weed them, you need to put extra drip tubing in. You got stuff piling up against you. That's the time that you know you need to make her green. So when it comes down to it, the difference in a yard to pop is going to be what the surrounds, the beds and those types of things look like. In these beds, this mulch is tired, it's outdated, it is 3 years old, it has faded, it is not what it currently was. This is more the color of what it was because it's been flipped, but this is what's everywhere else. My lines over the years have come up. It's got bare spots. It's not looking its best. It's allowing weeds to grow through. It's not doing what it's supposed to be doing anymore. So what do you do in this situation? You go ahead and give it a refresh.
If I kick it, will it explode?
No.
So I can kick it?
See what it does. Boy, don't kick that! What's your problem?
Oh.
Yep, those are little anemones. These are little grasses that I'm getting rid of.
Anemones are for saltwater fish tanks.
And they are those flowers, right? That's an anemone. That's an anemone. That's an anemone. That's an anemone. Yeah, an anemone. Ha ha ha! Anemone! Rain! Chill, bro. Just chill. Just give me a moment. I just need a moment.
Just trill.
Give me. I just want to do this one bed.
Trill.
One.
Trill.
Just chill.
You said trill.
We have to go inside now because it's raining and I can't film. Gosh. Ugh. Who ordered it? But if you look over here, it's nice and sunny. Thank you. Oh.
I missed it. It needed to go in your mouth. Oh.
That little thing. Anybody want a child for sale? Cheap, I promise. He
Ben
comes
does.
very. I'll send him to Australia, Ben. He's yours. Over there, it looks like rain.
I thought you were going to say Australia.
Over there, it looks like no rain. I need to no rain for a little bit, and then I need rain because my lawn needs it. All right, let's try this again. Okay, let's go. what a difference. Man, that makes a huge difference. When you come up to my house, it looks so much better. This color makes everything else pop, makes everything look so good. Flowers look like they're popping. Lawn looks like it's doing well. Everything looks so much better. You're gonna notice that when I did it, I left my original mulch in my beds. Reason why I do that is that I build on top of it so that it has that natural breakdown and my soil amends over time. If I didn't do it, because I don't have weed mat or anything, if I didn't leave it in, I'd be pulling all the good stuff in as it would break down. I'd pull all that off, and then I'd just add fresh mulch. Because as it breaks down, as in nature, it actually makes the soil better. So that's what I'm shooting for, so I leave my mulch in place. I never take it out. So what I've done is I've just added another 2.5 inches everywhere in all my beds, so that I keep that thick layer of mulch down. That it blocks weeds, it blocks all those things, but with leaving that extra mulch already there and it's breaking down underneath, it makes everything underneath the soil so much better, and it grows so much better. It helps my plants' health a lot. So the nice thing about it is that I bought bags this time instead of buying it in bulk. Remember from the beginning of the video, I bought that in bulk? This time I used bags. Those bags really made it easy so that if I get these types of things, we just had this wind come through here and it really whipped through here and tore a bunch of my mulch, everything out. So it makes fixes like this super easy. All I do is I buy extra bags of mulch and I keep them. It makes it super easy. If I get this kind of stuff, I don't have to grab and move it and try to put it on top, because that layer underneath, yes, it will come up to the top if you disturb it. So I actually just have extra bags for incidences like this, or if there was a windstorm like that. Makes it a lot nicer to be able to put things in place. So refreshing your mulch is huge. Remulching is huge. Depending on the quality of what you get, it can last anywhere from 3 months to 3 years. If you can get the ones that are super nice and super last long, those are the ones that you really want to get. Those make the most sense. They are a little bit more expensive. So you don't want to get something that's only going to last 3 months, because doing this every 3 months would suck. It's not very fun. It did take me about 2 hours to do my 1,500 square feet of property, and had I done it in the bulk, I think it would have taken a little bit longer. I would have had to put them into wheelbarrows or carts or stuff like that and wheel them around. So as you see, they'll make it easy. I'll show you the bags I have on this side of the house. Not a big deal. So if you're looking to do a refresh, definitely look at doing mulch. You can use curbing like I have, or you can use a live edge. Live edges are cool too. You just dig them down 6 inches and then nothing can grow through, or if it does, it doesn't root in. But the key to all of this is to have a 4 to 6 inch layer of mulch. Less amounts of mulch will allow stuff to grow through. It's that simple. If you want an easy to maintain amount, put 4 to 6 inches in, you're good to go. So question for you guys, do you guys actually redo your mulch every single year? Or do you do a refresh on it, put new mulch on the top of it? Do you guys rip it all out, put it in? Or do you recolor it? Because that is an option, and I can show you how that works right here. So if you have mulch that has not lost its size, it still looks good other than its color, one thing you can do is get some mulch dye. It actually works extremely well. This goes really far. It is 4 ounces of mulch dye per gallon of water. And what you do is you just cover your square footage on your mulch. It's super easy. It's a super quick application. It can be messy. That's the trick to it. You have to walk backwards. It can stain concrete. It can stain those types of things. I'll show you a little patch because I'm not doing it with this. We're redoing it because I have a lot of bare spots. but this actually works extremely well. Mulch dye, go ahead and check it out in the links below. So as you can tell right here, this mulch has not completely lost its usefulness. There's still a good depth of mulch here. There's no bare spots, it just doesn't have its color. All you do is take the mulch dye and spray it down. And it makes it look so much better. That versus that, wow. It looks a little light on camera, I can tell, but it isn't light. It's pretty dark. It looks really good. I could do another pass if you wanted to darken it up just a touch more, but it looks really good. If you do any of those things, please leave it in the comments down below. I do want to hear what you guys do, because this is 2 years old. I let it go for 2 years. I should have redone it last year, but I didn't. And it made a huge difference this year, because that color right there is popping my yard. It looks so much better. So leave it in the comments down below. Do you guys refresh every year? Do you guys redo every year? Or do you do like me and let it go for a few years by sheer, in my case, laziness? What is it you guys do? Leave it in the comments down below. I'm Jeremy of The Greener Lawn. Make her green. I just went like it was because I went yeah, you don't do transitions with your mouth. All right, so
You're videoing right now?
yes, what can I help you with?
Did you lose a cap to one of your fence posts?
Well, I don't know.
Well, we have one.
Do you?
One in our front yard if you need it.
I will look. Now I'm gonna go run around checking out to see if I got it.